Today's video is inspired by Charlie Fordor, another ZX10RR owner. If you'd like to check out his channel, the link will be in the description and also in the upper right hand corner. This charging port that I'm installing today just happens to be exactly the same one that he installed. I didn't intend it to be that way, it just after the research it was the best one out there. If you want to see his install of this and some other charging ports, the link will be in the description and also in the upper right hand corner. Welcome YouTube, this is Rem here again with another install video. Today we're going to install the DecoStain 3.1 amp motorcycle USB charging kit. So the tools needed for this job are a ratchet, a 10mm socket, or a 10mm wrench, whichever you prefer, and that's to remove the battery post, and a pair of scissors. I also used an 8mm to remove one of the bolts on the tank to feed the wires through. That's optional, just depends on how you like to feed things through. And I also did use an extension a couple of times just to make certain things a little bit easier with the 10mm. So one of the main uses I'm going to use a charging port for is my phone, and I wanted to redo the attachment to my bike, so I'm pulling off the old Velcro. And I wanted to put two strips of Velcro on it to make it a little bit more secure. The other one with the one piece, it was kind of wobbly at times. And here's what it looks like installing it onto my bike. And just testing it out a little bit to make sure that everything was working. Checking the handlebars to make sure it clears. Once I did that, pull off the strips and put her in place. Making sure everything is nice and clean where I'm going to stick the charging port. So here's what the final install looks like. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, and comment, and we'll see you in the next video, guys.